Grease traps play a vital role in commercial kitchens and restaurants, preventing grease and fats from entering the sewer system and causing blockages. However, over time, grease traps can become clogged with solidified grease, leading to unpleasant odors and potential health hazards. At Bin Wash LA, we specialize in grease trap cleaning and pumping services, ensuring the efficient operation of your kitchen and the safety of your staff and customers. Our process starts with introducing 200-degree hot water and steam, which helps to soften and break down hardened grease inside the trap, making it easier to remove. While the hot water and steam are working their magic, we pump out the contents of the grease trap into our tanker for proper disposal. This ensures that the trap is completely emptied and ready for cleaning. Once the grease trap is emptied, we use our high-pressure washing equipment to thoroughly clean the inside and outside of the trap. With 3,500 psi and 200 degrees Fahrenheit hot water and steam, we blast away any remaining grease and grime, leaving the trap clean. After cleaning, we spray a deodorizer inside the grease trap to eliminate any lingering odors and leave behind a fresh scent. Finally, we securely close the lids of the grease trap. We then pressure wash the grease trap area to leave it clean and ready to use. For a free quote or proposal, contact Bin Wash LA at 310-883-8879 or visit our website at binwashla.com. Experience the Bin Wash LA difference today.